I ordered my Aliexpress hair today. Today is September 5th, 2013. This is what I got. I got Virgin Brazilian Body Wave, 3 bundles. They had an awesome sale. I got 3 bundles, a 16, an 18, and a 20 for $99.48. Okay, it is the monostril hair. I should have showed this first. Positive feedback. Yeah. Excited. That's all I can say. I can see. Who's awaiting acceptance? It is. Oh no. Sorry. I can't get the time. There we go. And the day, it is 12:18 a.m. That says 9/7/2013. Whatever. Yeah, remember I showed you this bar before. Chanel. So now we're waiting for. I don't know how much is that you saw, but here we go. I just opened it. It's modern show hair, by the way. As everybody always shows, it comes in a regular bass bag. Order number. Hold on. Hey, baby.
I want Martian candy.
What you ate today? You ate food?
Mm-hmm.
What you ate? Huh?
What's this?
This is my hair.
Here, Shy.
Pretty, right?
Here, cut it. Here, cut it.
No, I don't want to cut it.
I'm awake.
It's pretty, right?
Ew.
Whatever. Auntie?
Auntie.
Yes, baby boo.
I want to go home.
I know, you gotta wait for mommy.
I'm tired, Mommy.
You tired of mommy? Why?
I'm tired.
You tired right now? Go lay down with your Elmo.
I'm tired, Mommy.
You want mommy, right? I know.
Oh.
What's wrong?
Oh,
Okay, so here is all the hair out of its packs. I don't know, to me right now, all the bundles look pretty much the same size. I mean, of course the 16 is like a little bit bigger, but I don't think it's a big difference. think this is my 16-inch bundle right here. See, it's pretty good. These are what the ends look like. I mean, they're not dry or nothing, but it is thinner at the ends. Like when you go like this, it's thick. And about when you start getting like right here, it starts like not being as thick. But he's in the bathroom, Papa. Let's see.
Don't go in there.
It's bouncy. It's really moves, you know.
Why you got money in your mouth?
It's money.
Oh, you shouldn't have money in your mouth. So anyway, this is the hair. No strands when I put my fingers through it, etc., etc. And I'll come back with more pictures after my co-wash. Peace out.